I've got something to tell you that I just can't say. So I'm writing it down in case maybe someday our lives take a turn down a road we can't see right now. I know you're happy and I'm happy for you. But since you found each other, I've been so confused. 'Cause I believe there's one soul on this earth that was meant for mine. I was sent here to find. What if it's you? What if our hearts were meant to be one? And what will I do, knowing that I'll never love anyone as much as I do love you? And what if it's you? What if it's true? If destiny called and I missed my cue, do I get one more chance? Oh, how I wish I knew I'll never again put my heart in the hands of fate. If it's too late, what if it's you? What if our hearts were meant to be one? And what will I do, knowing that I'll never love anyone as much as I do love you? What if it's true? What if it's you? Oh, if I ever hold you, I'll never let go. But if I never do, how will I know? What if it's you? What if our hearts were meant to be one? And what will I do, knowing that I'll never love anyone as much as I do love you? Oh, what if it's true? Oh, what if it's you?